Hello everybody, today we're going to be checking out this rabbitgoo window film. It's going to go ahead and give your window some semi-private look to it, but still let some light in, so let's go ahead and check it out. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to measure your window here from side to side and then from top to bottom, just so you make sure you cut off the correct pieces of the film. After you do that, you could go ahead and just clean up the window using some water or using some window cleaner, of course. So after the window is clean, you're going to want to go ahead and take the film and cut it to the appropriate size. Once you've cut your film to the appropriate size, you go ahead and want to take off the backing film of it. And then once you do that, you could spray a little bit of water on the window as well as on the film itself. And this helps in the application process, just so you're able to move the film around and get the edges just right. Here's what the film looks like during the day. So as you can see, you do get some of those nice shimmering effects in the window here. It does look really nice. And it's semi-transparent, as you can see. So earlier we saw that the film looked black out of the box, but as we can see here, once it's on the window, it is transparent and it does have these nice effects.